Today I will start a little differently. I will show you the dried result of the pour that I did 2 videos ago on Monday. And I love it. I love how this quinacridone gold dries. It's gorgeous, and with some 24K gold. I had some shimmer here. It just beautiful. I love those details here. So yeah, so this is the dried result, and today I just went over with those colors, but I wanted to have gold here in the middle instead of this yellow, and first try didn't end up well, so I poured twice. It's nothing that we don't do a lot of the times. So let me take you down to the table for the second one. I will pour some 24K gold on the bottom, and then yellow and orange. Do I have any pearl white left? A little bit. And red violet, greenish blue, Russian blue. And I will pour some gold here. And I will go with from up high from. And now I will just do some fingerlings here. And I will rack it a little more this time. I will rack this, and I will rack this too. And this. Okie doke. Well, let's see what we will get. I will go over the sides here first. Want to get rid of this. I want to stretch this out a little bit, so I will walk and try to go over that blue corner. Okay, I'm done now. I like this one much more. Wonder how it will dry because of all this gold. My torch say that it's cold. Not quite sure if I want this white cell here, so I will just try to touch it. Okay, so let me take you down for a close-up. I like it this way, but you know, with fluid art how it is, you can hang it either way you like. Some people see different things. Like these fingerlings here, I wonder how they will dry. So yeah, happy with this one. So stay tuned for to see the dried results. So here she is dry. I just love this painting so much. I love the colors. I love a little bit of orange here. This is gold, but I turned off the lights because the glare was just too much and I couldn't show you the other colors and lines here because it was just too dark. But this is gold and sparkly. Maybe if I try to go a little, you know, towards the window, so you see the shimmer. I really love this painting. It was worth to go over once more. Yeah, really happy. So thanks for being here, watching me play with paints. If you like that, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Really helps me with the algorithms, because we are not the most popular topic at the moment on YouTube. So every like, comment, share counts. So yeah, thank you so much and see you again on the next one. Bye.